Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, write the correct words in the blank spaces. What is that? That is a pencil. What are those? Those are notebooks. What is he carrying? He's carrying a book. What are you reading? We are reading a magazine. What do you want? I want a glass of water. What does he need? He needs a pencil. What are those? Those are flowers. What is that? That's the city park. What is she wearing? She's wearing a suit. What did you see? I see a big building. What are they holding? They are holding a box. What is that? That's a camera. What is it? It's a watch. What are they? They are socks. Now, give short answers to these questions. Number 1. Does the man like coffee? Yes, he does. Is Mrs. Salman here? No, she isn't. Are you ready now? Yes, I am. Is there a book on the desk? Yes, there is. Does that student work hard? No, he doesn't. Are the children sleeping now? Yes, they are. Does Tariq study every night? No, he doesn't. Do you like milk? Yes, I like. Is Mr. Salim a doctor? No, he isn't. Are you working right now? Yes, I am. Are there dishes on the table? No, there aren't. Do they like the United States? Yes, they do. Is this car very expensive? No, it isn't. Does he understand English? Yes, he does. Are there many people here? No, there aren't. Does Miss Nida feel well today? No, she doesn't. Do dogs like bones? Yes, they do. Does a tree need water? Yes, it does. Is there a light in that room? No, there isn't. Do you know the answer? Yes, I do. Now, select the correct verb for each sentence. Is he working today? Is he working today? Do you know the answer? She's studying the new words. Does he like that class? She's listening to the radio. Is Bushra putting away the dishes? Does he go there now and then? Does he go there every now and then? Are they taking a course in English? Do you take up many examinations? Do you watch the work now? Is she finishing the work now? Do you always learn the words? They are reading the paper now. So that's all for today. Hope to see you soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.